split for a Ferragamo.
Yeah.
Somebody cut it on cellular phone.
Hello.
You don't go to heaven, you just go by.
Barbados. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. I'm back in for another reaction for you guys. Right now, people have asked them call Ramone Bad. The song is titled, what is the song name? Runaway. Runway. Runway. Official lyric video, but guess what, people? I'm not like the cover can look good. You see the thumbnail look bad. No, bumble click you out. But you may say you want to go check out the artist after I do the reaction. And you may say, but like up the video. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post, and y'all know on the road to how much people. 30,000 subscribers. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Look at dirty football from Jamaica do it. Yeah, messing up people. Because we're going for the song still. Like up the video. Tear up the like button. You don't know that. If it's song bad, fire emoji. You don't know it's chop already. You know. If you don't want to see more reactions, spam them down below in the comment section. Run tune, Barbados, look up on yourself. In a long time I drop a Barbados reaction for no tune. They me say, run tune, yeah, man. I chat too fast. Let me slow it down for you guys. Play the music. Not even saying run tune today. Play the music.
Yeah.
Runway. Alright then.
Ramone Bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, hey. I don't focus on hatred or bad.
Wait, pause. What is this caption that I have on here? Is that Portuguese or something? What the hell? Damn, I got Portuguese caption on. Okay. Interesting. Right, you know, he said you don't focus on hatred or bad vibes. Alright, go on.
Vibes. Them can dim my shine.
Alright, then.
My life. Rich like Pablo, I want what is mine.
Same song.
Stress, but I'll still tell you that I'm fine.
Jano, I do that too. I don't like when people do that. But me stress a lot. I gotta tell everybody say everything is good. And you know, say I go through some things. But you know, I share with people. I understand you. Go on.
Warriors don't ever show no signs.
Never.
I ain't blind, I see it in their eyes.
Deaf?
Times I feel I want all them to die. I just pray and clear my mind. We gon' make it out of here one day.
Yeah.
My turn on the runway.
Yeah.
Oh, 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 oh.
Me know you sing a song for yourself. Me know you sing a song for yourself. Me sing a song for the ghetto people. And you will tell me about it and me know. Just by the lyrics and what you do. And all you sing it and you perform your bumbo clock message them. Sorry for the bad word viewers and subscribers. Run tune.
We gon' make it out of here
one day.
My turn on the runway.
Yeah.
Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Jealousy a disease, you know. Big split for a Ferragamo.
Yeah.
Somebody cut it on cellular phone.
Hello.
You don't go to heaven, you just go viral.
Yeah.
Success get you killed, fly low. All black, everything stealth mode. Blessings from the cosmos. Angels guarding me, stay 10 toes. Got me through the dark in the back rows. Take the wheel like Jah, take control. Take a seat, I'm strapped in, ready to go. My soul on airplane mode.
No, man, people, him not bad. No, people, him not bad. If you had to go on bad right now, drop some fire emoji in the comment section right now. Drop some fire emoji right now. Tell like button if you like the video. Run, Jonah. Sonny, I'm so strong, man. Jano, go on.
We gon' make it out of here one day. My turn on the runway. Oh, 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 oh. We gon' make it out of here one day. My turn on the runway. Oh, oh.
I like the chorus too. We like it. Is that good look?
Yeah. People can't hit you despite what you do. Don't let them fuckers intimidate you.
Yeah.
Stay on your grind and just push and go through.
Yeah.
Keep to yourself and who loyal to you.
Yeah.
Even
Pause. Pull up, people. Listen what the man I say.
runway. Oh,
Listen now. People are gonna do what? What am I gonna do?
Yeah. People can't hit you despite what you do.
Yeah.
Don't let them fuckers intimidate you.
What else?
Stay on your grind and just push and go through.
True.
Keep to yourself and who loyal to you. Evil out there, so you got to be weird. Friends tell your secrets to enemy ears.
Yes.
Homeboy, you host and police just appear. Can't see you children, you sentence for years. That life. What make a man want take his own life?
Yeah.
That's why you go read the signs, then read between the lines and find the gate for the
Like
next
just
flight.
switched up because the man started off singing, people. He started off singing. He did me and say, give you the course and everything. And watch out now. Him bad. If him bad, no for doing no. Fight emoji right now. Now pull up a little bit and run back a little bit. Because 1 year while going now, no, I miss nothing on people. Run through
For
it.
the next flight, yeah. We gon' make it out of here one day. My turn on the runway.
Oh, oh,
Oh, oh. We gon' make it out of here one day. My turn on the
Runway.
Oh, oh.
Oh, oh. We finish, John.
We gon' make it out of
People go support the artists like him, not celebration boss and over there, so big up yourself, brother. You hear me I say, big up over Barbados to big up everybody who watch the video. You see me I say, stay tuned for more reactions from my boy. Go and subscribe. We're also 30,000 subscribers. Everything you need to know about the artist is going to be down below in the description of this video. Go and pre it for yourself. Make him know say I and I don't know over there. So I and I are bad man. I see me I say, big up for yourself. Peace out.